Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. Many self-sponsored skilled workers applicants always ask how to find businesses which are for sale. In this video, I will guide you how to buy running businesses in the UK. First, I will show you about food businesses. Then I will show you the franchisees which you can buy. Then in the last, we will discuss the online businesses which you can buy and work from home. And if you wanted to self-sponsor it yourself, you can use them. So the first website is businessesforsale.com. If you go on this website, you have different sections. So you have e-commerce, internet businesses, petrol station, pizza, food delivery. So if, for example, if you look for pizza delivery businesses, there are 72 of them, and you can see that, like, you can change 100 over here. You can sort them by asking price. So let's start with the lower one. So if I change that to asking price lowest, so easy to run hot food takeaway, and this is the location, Crewe, and it's for £5,950. The next one is established hot food takeaway in Blackpool, £15,000. You can also ask for turnover when you buy. You should check their accounts as well. They're audited, unaudited, all the accounts. Next one is fish and chip shop, £20,000. Hot food takeaway in Cheshire, that's £29,000. Mobile event catering businesses, that's £32,000. You will get this. Commercial property, that's £34,000. Small independent pizzeria in Bradford, that's 39. Established food takeaway. So I won't go each of them, but this is how you will see it. So established takeaway business in Glasgow, and that's £40,000. And the name of the business is Smash and Bun Takeaway. Okay. So if you click on this, for example, if you check this, so this one is leasehold. They will tell you about the profit. Rent is 10,400. So £200 per week. Shop is open 7 days, 4 till 10. And this is the street area, the battlefield area. So they have explained like where the location, how much you can get. It's near the Glasgow Clyde College. Okay. So this one is leasehold. That's what you need for your, if you wanted to apply for the sponsor license. Okay. So this explains you everything. Now let's go back to the other category. So the next category is, if we click on buy a business again, and if we select a category, we will select the food, or we can also have the option for retail. So for example, if we check retail, so let's check the retail industry. So we have 5,222 businesses. Again, I'll go 100 and I'll drop down to asking price lowest. So when you select lowest, sometimes you don't get anything. So just jump on the second or third page. So perfume, home business, drop ship, ignore that. Gaming product, profitable home business, ignore that as well. Sandwich bar, 4,950. Beauty salon, Halifax, 4,995. Turnover is 28,600. So this is like, another potential you can have. Commercial property, that's unit, so ignore that. So let's jump on second page, because when you'll go on second page, you might find businesses which are actually like shops and fruit and vegetable shop. Okay. Lancashire, that's £8,500 they are asking, and this is the shop it looks like. So if I click on this, hopefully there'll be more pictures. If I zoom in the picture, you can see the picture. Okay. So this is how you will find the businesses. Obviously there are loads of them, so we won't discuss all of them, but that's like, so you have another one, artificial silk flowers businesses Indeed. Okay. Gift card shop, 9,900. And this one is barber hair salon, that's £9,950 they're asking. So this is how this is a cleaning business, so anyone wanted to do that. So brilliant online cleaning business in Glasgow, 9,950. So they will provide you all the guidance and everything when you set up. Ladies fashion business, that's also for sale. So if anyone who was on dependent visa and wanted to apply, wanted to become a skilled worker, self-dependent, then this is another option. Okay. Now let's go on the other section. So next section is convenience stores. You have 179, and you have internet businesses. So let's open the convenience store, and you can see organic, like it's called, off license as well. They are asking £125,000. If you wanted to open like Shell, which is self-employed retailer opportunity, that's 70k. So if you change the price lowest, you will get the option from the lowest one. So for example, that's off license, that's 19,000 they are asking for this shop, and this is location is Derbyshire. Next one is tea room and gift shop, that's in North Yorkshire. Excellent convenience store, this is also in West Yorkshire, 22,750 they asking. So you can see like another convenience store, 24 hours off license, which is very good. You can open shop for 24 hours, 24,995 they are asking. Okay, now let's go back to the other category, which is internet business. So if we go on that, again we will select 100 over here, and we will select the asking price lowest. So go down, because these 199, these are just like, you know, they will just ask for the, like, ignore them. So we'll start from here. White label payroll. So if you are accountant and you wanted to open an accountant franchisee, that's, they are asking £3,000 for it. Perfume home business, which we just discussed. Established financing in United Kingdom, ignore that. Software, that's also a software based, I think. Worldwide drop ship home business, that's 7,700. So you can get the business model idea from them as well. Established adult toy, so that's 7,700. Online shop. So if we go down, let's see something attractive. This one is e-commerce luxury ladies fashion accessories brand, £10,000. So someone might have already built this brand, they have done everything, they're just looking for, wanted to sell this, and you can buy this and start from home. Highly rated online fashion retailer in Somerset, £10,000 they are asking. So this is how you search for the online retailer. Another question which applicants do ask is how to get that kind of money, like they don't have enough money. So if you have if you're applying as a self sponsorship along with the authorizing officer, and they got, like, you know, he's a British national and they got some investment, so you can approach to money.co.uk, that website, compare business loans. Over here you have, these are the companies who can provide you business loan. Nationwide Finance, so unsecured term loan, they start from 6,000 up to 10 million they can give you, and this is the term amount, 12 months to 72 months. Next one is funding option by Tide. Another one is funding exchange and Rice Funding, Love Finance. So these are the companies who can provide you loan from 5,000 to 500,000. This one, for example, 3 months to 60 months, for 5 years they can give you the loan. So this is how you try to create funds if you wanted to start a business. If you don't have any financing, you do need some funds, but without funds you can't do. Okay, now let's discuss what is a purchase agreement, because many applicants get confused over here. A business purchase agreement is a contract between a buyer and seller relating to selling a target company entire share capital or specific assets. Depending on what the agreement is used for, the seller will either transfer the entire company or only certain company assets to the buyer. When should I use a business purchase agreement? Use this business purchase agreement if your private limited company wants to buy or sell the entire share capital in another limited company. So like business to business, because you are applying self-sponsored skilled worker visa, so you need to open a limited company. You cannot do on like sole proprietor. If you have not watched this video in which I have discussed how to apply UK sponsor license, I have explained whole guidance in this, and in this video I have explained the total cost of the sponsor license. Do watch this video, you will get the idea how to, like, you know, make your finances sorted. To set out the sale in a formal agreement, to impose restriction on the seller post sale for businesses located in England, Wales or Scotland. So if you're buying a business, you need a business purchase agreement, and this is what you need. Now let's discuss how to buy franchisee. So again, businessforsale.com, if you go on that website, buy a franchisee. If you click on this, search franchisee, it will give you the whole list. So there are 200 franchisee opportunities. Okay. So all these names, you can see that Progressive Property, Easy Apps, Action Coach UK, business coaching is one of the fastest growing profession in UK. So minimum investment £69,000 for property, Progressive Property. This is also another one. If I click, I'll show you. No money down discovery day. So they have explained what you will learn: profiting, property leverage, joint venture, market analysis, register now. So there is no harm in requesting a free information from these websites. You don't try, you don't get. So for example, now we look for the top ones. Yeah. So you have the list. If we select the categories, so this is a long list. So let's do update list and top franchisees. Let's check the list for the top tier. So Progressive Property, that's one. Drain Doctor. UBX, secure a premium territory with the world's fastest growing boxing. Okay, that's minimum investment £40,000. The Business Builder, IOB Business, £8,000 investment. Coffee Republic, the travel franchisee, 2,995. So travel franchisee, I think you can work from home. Concept Claim Solutions. So these are the list over here. Okay, Anytime Fitness, £170,000. That's probably you need to open a full gym. Kayako Mart, that's another one, low investment. Easy Estate Agent. So many people do ask about how to open a state agency. So minimum investment £500. So if you have done any property management course or anything and you wanted to open this, so liquid capital need £3,000. So request free information. Like I said, there is no harm in getting in touch with them and getting the agreement and reading the agreement. Papaji, that's another one, £25,000. So let's discover Papaji. Perfect opportunity to take a bite of ever profitable fast food. So that's a fast food. So you can watch video as well. And that's £10,000 they are asking. Franchisee fee, minimum investment £25,000. That's how it looks like. So they will provide you the terminal. They will provide you the layout. Looks quite good. Maybe it's making money as well somewhere. So looks quite promising as well. They have really invested in the in the outlook of it. So that's a burger and all that. So this is like a fast food. Okay, so this is another option for you. Now also they finalist best takeaway in 2023. So for £25,000, it's not so bad compared to the other investment. Okay, now let's look for the online businesses which you can open from home and you can work from them. So you have this website which is RightBiz. If you come on this website, in the you have loads of sectors. So they have 22,000 businesses for sale. So just now we will select off license shop, for example, and nationwide we'll select, and then after that we'll select the price. So you can select high to low or low to high. So we'll select low to high. So this one, ready to operate day nursery property, and that's rent is 1,667. That's established Harrow grocery and convenience store. They haven't mentioned the price over here. So if we go down, we'll see more. So European market, price on request, prime 3 level commercial, 2,500 per month rent. So this one is lease hold off license, price on request, and this one is also price on request. For this one, rent is £14,000, which they are asking, and the store is, they are taking £77,000 per week. Huge growth opportunity, 3-bed accommodation, ideal first time buyer. So quite good if they are providing the accommodation as well. Miller's, that's also another one, off license. This is off license as well, £19,000 probably they are asking, £130,000 turnover. This one is already sold. So you can see loads of them. Yeah, now let's check the other business sector. So for example, if we select the restaurants, again we'll select low to high. So that's just the location, that's just the location. I'll prefer something which is already running, because there's no point of getting something which is not running. You will struggle. So south, that's also just the location, that's just the rent, 1,667. So you can see that they got 2,809. So we can't discuss all of them, obviously, plus it's like next page won't give you all of them, all the details, but you can see from this website. This is how you will find. The main purpose of my video is to show you how to find the businesses. Okay, so for example, this restaurant, they are selling 7,000 per week, turnover is 364,000. So that's quite promising as well. So you have loads of them over here. Okay, now let's check the franchisee business as well in this. So if we go back on UK and you click on franchisee, buy a franchisee. So popular franchisees, so No Water, Just Shine, car detailing, so £5,000 investment. The Fat Pizza. The Fat Pizza is also very famous these days. They are asking 35,000, 25,000, different locations. They already got 29 outlets. Number of outlets, they already got 29 opened across UK. Pocky and Roll, that's £15,000 minimum investment. Restaurant e-commerce mobile app agency, 950 minimum investment. Okay, so this is something online. Coffee Bike, 12,490 minimum investment. Dialer Desert, £15,000 minimum investment. The Desert King, 14,500. So this is how you see all the brands which I was talking about, the franchisees if you wanted to buy. So you this list just keep going on and on and on. So I won't show all of them, but this is how you find them. Sushi Daily, that's 45,000 pound. Dupe Burger, 94,000 pound. So you can do your own research and about this, and you can get that franchisees as well. If we see new franchisees, so these are the new franchisees. Miracle Inside, Launch AI Agency. Okay, that's another one. Kingsmaid cleaning franchisee, 14,950. Okay, so this is how you find. So this is also a very good website. So you click on buy and new businesses, and if you click on new businesses, it will show you all the businesses which are coming for sale. So this is like 80,000 pound, turnover is 416,000 pound. This is how you will find one. So if you have any question regarding this video or any other video, feel free to contact me and I'll get back to you.